What happens if lightning hits you? Not once, but twice. Meet Roy Sullivan, the guy literally nicknamed the human lightning rod. This dude survived not one, not two, but 7 lightning strikes in his lifetime. Scientists say the odds of getting struck once are about 1 in 15,000. 7 times? That's basically impossible. But Roy, he just walked it off. One time, lightning set his hair on fire. Another time, it blew his shoe off. And yet, he kept surviving. Nobody knows why he was so lucky or cursed. Nature can be beautiful and terrifying. So next time you see storm clouds, maybe don't stand next to Roy Sullivan.